Honda's 2021 CBR 1000RR-R claims to boast a model so great it comes with everything but the factory contract. They are introducing a street-legal but track-ready limited edition sport production Fireblade. The following performance features include a new 81mm bore with a 48.5mm stroke. It is the same as Honda's MotoGP champion RC213D as in Victor production racer. Also, finger follow-type rocker arms that reduce the inertia weight of the valve system by approximately 75% compared to the shim and bucket system. A semi-cam gear train, which by having a gear on the crank, drives a intermediary gear and sprocket, which in turn drives the cam chain and overall shortening the chain run. Pistons, forged out of 2618 aluminum alloy, is about 5% lighter, even with the bigger bore. A built-in bottom bypass cooling system prioritizes cooling water differently around the top and bottom of the cylinder, sending more cooling water where it needs it and less where it doesn't. A direct starter layout that now acts on the clutch main shaft instead of the crankshaft, allowing a shorter crankshaft for an even more compact layout possible. With a super narrow 9-degree intake side valve angle, improved ventilation efficiency and contributes to higher power output. The throttle body bore diameter has been enlarged by 4mm with an airflow streamlining oval cross-section to the twin intake valves, help reduce intake air pressure drop. Technology features include coming equipped with a full-color thin film transistor or TFT instrument screen in higher resolution, gives you multiple screen setting options that display the information you want in available formats you prefer. Titanium connecting rods, reducing weight by approximately 50%. A throttle-by-wire system that smooths and improves throttle response. A selectable torque control system that automatically adjusts engine power to optimize torque at the rear wheel, reducing rear wheel slip, giving you a choice of 5 power curves, 10 torque control levels, 3 engine braking levels, and now 3 selectable levels of wheelie control. Also comes with a standard featured quick shifter. A smart key system that eliminates the traditional keyed ignition, not only adding convenience but also allows streamlining the intake ducting for better airflow. Handling features include an Olin second generation smart electronically controlled suspension that minimizes cavitation inside the damper to stabilize damping forces and improve bump absorption. A lightweight twin spar aluminum frame with 2mm thick wall sections. Vertical and torsional rigidity have been increased by 18 and 9% respectively, and horizontal rigidity decreased by 11% for better feel and performance. 330mm diameter Brembo front brake discs, Brembo Stylema front calipers, along with the RC213 Victor's rear Brembo caliper. Even the brake master cylinders and the front brake lever are supplied by Brembo to offer comprehensive braking performance. It also comes equipped with aerodynamic winglets, which effectively generate downforce at track speeds. Design features include a lightweight titanium muffler developed jointly with Acropovic, designed to contribute to the bike's mass centralization. The overall compact chassis for super responsive handling. The crankshaft centerline is set back further from the front axle and higher for better front and rear balance with the Ryder on board. And last but not least, a shorter engine front to back than the previous design, making the bike more compact and allowing more latitude in engine placement in the chassis. Additional information can be found below in the description area as well as online at powersports.honda.com. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video and information.